Guys, I'm gonna make a. So 3, 2, 1. What do you push me off? Whoa! Aiden! 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 What is it? I'm mad! Why is mad? Aiden! Where are you? Aiden, are you under the bed hiding from Buddy? Aiden, I'm gonna hide before it's too late. Okay, Aiden, move. And can you move to make some space? Okay? Okay. Poor Buddy won't find us. It's okay. Okay, we're safe. Where are those guys? Can't even see them. Aiden, don't talk. If he hears you, he'll attack you. Fart. And fart. Aiden, run away! Time to go back down, Buddy.